Welcome to this amazing channel. Today's video, we are comparing SofaScore app and FlashScore app to find out to see which one is good to use, which one runs faster, which one is best in terms of live score. So if you are into betting or you are using these two apps, which one do you think is good to use all the time? So we start with the SofaScore app, then we finish with FlashScore app. Why do you prefer to use SofaScore more than FlashScore app? If you have any reason, you can write it under the comment section so that all of us can choose the one which is good for you to use. So this is the SofaScore app. So when you open it, this is the front page. They have transfer options. Then they have live games. Everything is here. They have their date option over here. You can choose the date you want. You can search for the teams, anything that you want. Then this is their live score option over here. Then they have all their games so over here. So any one that you want, if you want tennis, basketball, hockey, or football, I prefer football. That's why I've selected over here. These are upcoming games that they have for the day, and these are transfer news that they have. So these are the recommended recommended legs that they are put in front over here. Sometimes they always they select categories which are valuable. They select high categories, something like the Champions World Cup, African, England, Spain, Germany. The top legs they put in front of their interface. Then the rest will be appearing here. So all these are the matches. Then when you come to the leg, they have it over here. They rank from high to low. That's why you see it over here. Everything is here. Then you have your favorite teams. You have the options to choose your favorite teams. The teams that you want, the team that you prefer to bet on, they have it over here. I love SofaScore very much because they have everything separate. Then you have your teams over here. They have everything. These are your teams. When you select your favorite team, it will appear here. The competition that your teams are in, it will appear here. The alerts and everything, they will show it over here for you to see. Then they have news feed, how things are going, transfer news and other things. All of these things will appear here. The results, highlights and everything will appear here. One thing I love about this SofaScore app is that they have something which is called dropping odds. So the dropping odds options allow those who into betting to select teams which are performing very well, so that you can choose this option. This option is very, very, very good. As you can see, some of us who are into betting, you can come here anytime to select teams who are performing well, how the odds are behaving, either is going up or dropping down. It will help you to know what is going on. All these things, SofaScore is have it over here. It's not only football, they have other games like football, basketball, tennis, and hockey. So you can check it and see how the odds are moving on day in and day in and day out. So you have all the teams over here. You can come and check their odds. So you can see some of the odds are dropping, others are going up. Then they have trending odds. The odds that are trending, a lot of people are betting on it. We have some of the odds, a lot of people are into it. So today when you come here, you can see that we have this odds are trending very, very high across the world. So these are some of the teams people are betting on. So they have Barcelona's game over here. It's trending, and can just tap on it, then you find out the reason why they is trending there. That this also are trending. You can see that this game Barcelona can win it. After they win it from Play Store, then you just log in, then you do everything. So all this also are trending also that you can use to bet. So when you tap it, you can just read it and see. When the odds are 1.3, there's better chance of winning 75, but Barcelona actually wins. These things are over here, but it's not guaranteed that when you see something like that, it's actually that Barcelona will win the game. No, sometimes it can come in, sometimes it can feel. It's part of the game. So not everything that we explain here is 100% that you win bet all the time. Sometimes you can do everything, but still you can lose. It's part of the game. So just think twice and do proper research before you are starting. So these are trending, or these are the or that are trending. A lot of people are betting on these teams. So these are teams that are trending. So you can just come and do proper research. You can go for goal, double chance and win. Then you pick. All these are things that you can find inside SofaScore app. So when you download the SofaScore app, you can find all these things inside. So these teams are okay. Here you have high value strike. High value strike is like team that they have met for so many times. Either they go for goals, first team to score over 2.5, things that they always win, and other things. All of these things are over here. Then we have head to head, two teams that they have what to meet, and they're head to head. You can see it over here. They have all these things over here. When you tap it, you can just what find out and see how things are going. Then you have top head to head. Top head to head means teams that are what winning a lot of matches against their opponents. So you can see that this team, they have met about 8 times. This team haven't won anything. So 7 draw, 1 draw. Here's the draw options. Then here's the other one. This is this. So it's something like Atletico Madrid versus Osasuna. Atletico 17 win, 1 draw, 2 win for Osasuna. So all these things, when you download the app, then you come here, you can see that it will make your research easy for you. So when you are betting on this game, you can just go for Atletico double chance over or away team to score. It helps you to do what? It helps you to make your research very simple and what easy. So all these teams, when they meet, you can see how things what goes. As you can see over here, it's very simple and what easy. So you just come and then you see it. Then here's top team strike, team that have win a lot of what, team that have not what concede any goals. They change it every 48 hours. They change it. They bring new teams. So it's a ranking. They rank it. So these are teams that they don't what concede goals. No goal conceded since they start their league. These are the teams that they haven't conceded any goal. That you can see it over here. You can tap here, then you see no goal scored. Team that they haven't scored any goal since they start playing. Then you can choose another goal. We have over 2.5, under 2.5 goal. Both team to score, first team to score, first team to concede, first half winner, first half loser. All these things are found it on this app. You can just what tap and then you choose. If you have this app on your phone, it will help you, or it will make your research about teams and things but easy for you, because if you want goals, you can just tap here and find out if team that score more than 3 goals. When you come, you can see it over here. So all these things are found it on the SofaScore app. So over 2.5 goals. This team, they score over 2.5 goals anytime they are playing. So 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. You can see it over here. It's very simple and easy. First team to score under 2.5 teams. You can find it over here. So all these are what found it on the SofaScore app. That's the reason why I love SofaScore app more than FlashScore app. But if you have anything, you can just drop it for us to see. So this is the reason why I love SofaScore. Their interface, then they have live score games. So when you tap on this icon, all these games are live games. Then they have finishing options over here. So why do you prefer SofaScore more than FlashScore? Why do you prefer FlashScore more than SofaScore? So if you can see, all these are their games, then they show time, the time that they have played, the time that they are playing their league, and everything they show it. So they have, you can change the, what do you call it, if you want to change the interface to, you can change the interface. Just come to settings, then you do everything. You can change it. If you don't want the white interface, you can change it to dark mode. You have everything over here. So let's go to FlashScore and see how things works over there. So this is the FlashScore app. The FlashScore app also have the same interface as SofaScore. So these are all their games over here. So these are all their matches they have over here. So here they show you how many teams that they are playing over here. These are their teams that they have over here. As you can see over here. Then they show their dates is over here. So today deities over here. The competitions, they arrange it from high legs to lowest legs. That's what they have. Then they have their live score over here. So these are their live score. I think one thing about this app FlashScore I love is they when they score goal, it appear faster than other apps. Yes, you can see it before it will reflect on other apps. One thing I've noticed about them is these are just then they have what do you call it? When they are about to score goal, it show double chance, double chance. When it means that they have scored a goal. Then they have their odds over here. So when they are playing the game, then the odds is attached to their games, their live games. So as you can see that the home is 4.2 was draw and then win is over here. So they have that thing over here. Not all the game, but they have it as you can see over here. You can have it over there. One thing I love about this app is that they make you know how the odds are what going and things. Then they have their favorite teams. If you have favorite teams, you can what add it over this option, then it will appear as you can see over here. The time, the odds and everything is what attached to it. But so far score, you have before you know the odds, unless you open the odds when they are playing, the odds will not appear like this one. If you have, then they have their news option. It's like the same thing as SofaScore. They have news option. You can read, you can watch highlights and things as you can see over here. Then they have legs, all the legs that they are playing. You have it over here. So all these are all the legs, all the matches that they have over here. You can search for teams, news, and others. Then you can change things over here if you want the odds, how things should be on the odds. You can what just visit analysis. You can change from light mode to dark mode, showing us in the list games, odd formats, and other things. All these things you can find it over here for you to what to use. It's very simple and what easy. Sometimes not all these things I can't explain everything, but when you download the app, you can see everything over here. Then we have, if you want football, tennis, basketball, and other things, you can choose any of the games. But I don't know, these two apps, they are very good. So I have these two apps on my phone. So I don't know which one you are using, either FlashScore or SofaScore. If you have any other app that are good, you can also write it under the video comment section so that I'll read it and find out how things what will go. So these are the two apps that are normally used for live score. It's very very simple and easy to use. Thank you for watching. In another video, we'll bring another one for you to see it.
Yeah. Keep it from here, Charlie.